will show you how to resize and compress image in ChatGPT 4. Click on Setting in the bottom left corner. Then click on Beta Features. Here you can see two options. Number 1, plugin. In our next video we will show you how to use this plugin feature, and the second one is Code Interpreter. This feature allows you to upload any file on ChatGPT and ask for help about that file. When you will turn it on, you will be on Code Interpreter mode. Here you can see. Now create new chat. Here is 3 options. First, default. This feature allows you simple chatting. Next one is Code Interpreter. About this we already explained. And for plugin, wait for our next video. Let's begin. When you enable Code Interpreter feature, you will see a plus sign next to search bar. This sign allows you to upload file. We are using this image as a sample, and we asked ChatGPT to resize this image to 500 by 500 pixels and compress it. Here it shows the original size of the image and asking the permission to resize. And we are allowing for it. Here it mentioned that if the expected ration distort the image resolution, then it will change image height. So here you can see they maintained image resolution without distortion. And here it asks for permission to compress image. Now it is compressing the image. It shows a download link. By clicking here, you can download compressed image. Here is the image size. And in it also reduced image quality as it is compressed. Now we are using another image this time. We ask for 300 width and ratio that suits the best. It shows original image size and again asking for permission to resize it. Click on Download link. It gives us image in JPG and we are going to ask ChatGPT to change image extension from JPG to PNG. Click to download. Let's check image extension. Yes, it is PNG now. And this time we are going to ask it to crop image to perfect size. Every times first it shows the original image size, then ask for permission to make changes. See it crop image so perfectly. And now it is asking for image extension. See the perfectly cropped image. Let's check image size and extension. See you in the next video.